An alternative title for this passage might be A. Lincoln's Assassination, B. Good Doc Gone Bad, C. A Prison Abandoned, or D. An Unfair Trial for a Fair Man. As we've learned, a title needs to reflect the main idea of the text, or the idea that's touched upon throughout the entirety of the text. Based on this information, let's go through each choice and see if it would make an appropriate title for our passage. A. Lincoln's Assassination. Although it's true that the first two paragraphs describe Lincoln's assassination, the rest of the text focuses on Mudd and how he fits into the whole situation. So a title focusing on Lincoln's assassination wouldn't fit well for our text. B. Good Doc Gone Bad. From the beginning of the passage, Dr. Mudd was a hard-working and honest doctor who was unfairly imprisoned by the court. In order for this to be an appropriate title, we would need proof that he has gone bad. However, we see just the opposite. For example, when the 7th paragraph tells us that Dr. Mudd volunteered his services to fight the fever and the disease, despite the fact that the guards and other inmates called him that Lincoln murderer and treated him very badly. Because there's no proof in the text that this good doc had gone bad, this can be marked as incorrect. C. A Prison Abandoned. The last paragraph briefly discusses how the Fort Jefferson prison was abandoned after Mudd's release, but as this is only mentioned in the last paragraph of our passage, it wouldn't make a proper title for the passage. And D. An Unfair Trial for a Fair Man. Because the main idea of this passage is the concept of Mudd's unfair incarceration and what became of him because of this trial, this would make an excellent title for the text, as it sets the reader up for what he is about to read. Therefore, this can be marked as our final answer.